Good evening. My name is NURATIQAH ROSDI and my matric number is 122HP0177.
And my name is Nurain Zhahirah binti Zulkepli. My matric number A22HP0175.
We want to discuss about fire safety in the lab.
What is the fire triangle? The fire triangle or composition triangle is the three components need to ignite and sustain a fire. The three ingredients of a fire triangle are heat, fuel, and oxygen. If just one of these components is removed, the fire triangle will collapse and the fire will be extinguished. Let's explore this component in more detail. Oxygen source, approximately 16% required. Normal air contains 21% oxygen. Some fuel contain enough oxygen within their makeup to support burning. Second, heat source. To reach ignition temperature, open flame the sun-hot surface. Friction, chemical action, electrical energy. And lastly, physical state for fuel. Physical state have three: gas, liquid, and solid. For gas, natural gas, propane, butane, hydrogen, carbon monoxide, and others. For liquid, we have gasoline, alcohol, cod liver oil, paint, varnish, and others. For solid, we have coal, wood, paper, clothes, wax, leather, plastic, sugar, grain, cork, and others. Example of fire extinguisher is water, powder, air foam, carbon dioxide. Water is used for paper, wood, textiles, and solid materials fires. And water don't use for liquid, electrical, or metal fires. Next, secondly, powder is used for liquid, electrical, wood, paper, and textile fires. And powder didn't use for metal fires. Meanwhile, air foam is used for liquid, paper, wood, and textile fires, and didn't use for electrical or metal fires. Last but not least, carbon dioxide is used for liquid and electrical fires, and didn't use for metal fires. Type of fire class A is solid, such as paper, wood, plastic. Nextly, class B is flammable liquids such as paraffin, petrol, grease, and oil. Meanwhile, class C is flammable gases such as propane, butane, methane. Then class D is metals such as aluminium, magnesium, titanium. Class E is fires involving electrical apparatus. Lastly, Class F is for cooking oil and fat. Fire extinguisher is safety pin, nozzle, pressure gauge, handle, high pressure gas canister, dry chemical carbon dioxide or water tube. Past method of fighting fire. To operate an extinguisher, we use acronym PASS. P for pull the pin, A for aim nozzle at base of area, S for squeeze the handle, and lastly S for sweep nozzle side to side. Standard fire order is action to be considered on discovering a fire is RACE, RACE. R is for rescue any person in immediate danger. A is alarm. Raise the alarm and follow your emergency procedures. C is for contain. Close doors to contain the fire. E is for extinguish. Attempt to extinguish the fire only if you are trained and it is safe to do so. Prevention. Plan work. The majority of lab fire have resulted from mental or procedural error or carelessness. Minimize the material. Have present in the immediate work area and use only the minimum quantities necessary to work in progress. Not only does this minimize fire risk, it reduces cost and waste. Observe proper safety practice. Store solvent properly. Observe restriction on equipment. Example, keeping solvent only in an explosion-proof refrigerator. Keep barriers in place. Shield, hood, doors, lab doors. Keep barriers in place such as shield, hood doors, and lab doors. Then, wear proper clothing and personal protective equipment. Then, avoid working alone. Meanwhile, plan. Have a writing emergency plan for your space and all operation. Lastly, training. Exercise the emergency plan and learn to use the emergency equipment provided.
That's all from us. Thank you. Bye.